This is a look at the drainage hole at the back of a Hoover fridge freezer. The problem was that it was icing up around here, which suggested that this hole was blocked. Now, one way of clearing it is to get a piece of cable, snip off the end to get it as so that can go into the hole, and it can then be pushed down. It goes a long way, and you need quite a fair length of this cable. It's now reached the bottom. Now this clears the way and ensures that if there's any blockage there, the blockage itself is then pushed away down the bottom. Actually, you get a bit more. That's about it now, I think. If I just pull it out, you can see my crikey, look at that. That's how much you need to go to make sure you get to the far end. So you need a piece of cable that long, and that should fix it, man.